Welcome you all in this week's market bulletin. It will be for current week, coming week. Let us start with Nifty analysis. This is Nifty monthly chart, first chart. This is RSI is still near 53. The monthly candle is very nice, but RSI is telling that still it is in sideways mode. On weekly chart, the candle is very nice. It has created a bullish candle, and it is also trading above all the moving averages. That is giving its showing its strength. On daily chart, we had discussed this resistance zone last week. It had just crossed this resistance zone, and whole week it was trading above that. Means it has crossed the resistance zone, but stopped there. Just after resistance zone, there is a gap which is also acting like a resistance, and price has stalled here and not up till now. Let us see what happens in coming week.
Okay.
In this week, it has filled this gap, which was near this level, around 248 level, 11,248 level. There were some other gaps also. You can see at the bottom, there were two more gaps. And every time, whenever it was approaching to the gap, it was giving some correction. Both the times it have given, and this time we are also expecting at least it should give some correction towards downside before showing any upward momentum. Let us wait and watch what happens on Monday.
Okay.
Next gap is at 11,550, where we can see again another resistance zone is there. So before going to 550, it has to give some correction to gain some strength before moving up. On hourly chart, it is moving up after some consolidation. This week again, we can see that after a good sharp move, it has started to decelerate. After this, we have to keep a close watch on this rectangle. If it is closing opening above this, then there will be upward momentum. Upward side move may come, और downside अगर ब्रेक करता है तो नीचे आ जाए.
Okay.
Hourly chart पे when we apply Fibonacci retracement and price action together, we can see that at 0.62% level, and this PBL level, you can see this consolidation was there. This is creating a good support level at 830. Suppose price is coming down, that we have seen that after gap approaching the gap, price comes down. On daily chart we have seen, तो अगर वो नीचे आता है तो कहाँ पे रुक सकता है. तो एक तो 0.38% का लेवल है यहाँ पे जो 11,000 के पास में आता है, और दूसरा 830. These two may act like a good support and can give us some opportunity to make long positions here if everything works properly.
Okay.
So what is the conclusion of whole price action analysis is upper side में 11,500 and 600 are going to act like a resistance, and at lower side में 11,000 and 830, 10,830 is going to act like a support. नीचे आता है तो यहाँ पे रुकेगा, ऊपर जाता है तो वहाँ ऊपर में रुकेगा, और overall bias is 40% upside, 60% downside. Let us see some other data. This is daily turnover data, which is this time it is continuously increasing as the price is also moving up. It is also showing the it is syncing with the price move. In open interest of futures data, we can see that continuously there is a good OI build-up is there, and price is moving up. On Monday there was some unwinding, but it was very small unwinding. We cannot say that it is a major unwinding. So price is still trying to stall there, not trying to fall. In OI data, we can see that the long built up was started from 11,700, sorry, 10,700, and continuously it was moving up. So again the price, whenever the price will come down, this 10,700 can work like a good support. In open interest of options, this is change in open interest data in options. We can see that there is good built up, good addition in 11,300 and 200 call side, which may act like a resistance zone, and 11,100 and 11,000 strikes पे put की addition ज़्यादा हुई है. That's why this can work like a support. At 11,100, you can see that this call addition is also there. O addition in call is also there, which may increase further if on Monday price is coming opening at downside. तो यहाँ पे हमको we should take a closer look on 11,100 call and put levels, OI levels, कि प्राइस किस तरफ जाएगा वो समझने के लिए. FI activity index future में अगर हमने देखा continuously this gray you can see this is continuously increasing, and this is short side. Gray is short, this orange is long, and here you can see that price was previously it was the difference between long and short was +5, then it was +16, then +20, +21. Very aggressively long was increasing. You can see the size of the long bars, but on Friday it was only +2, means short तो बढ़ गया है, long उतना long कम हो गया है. So it is showing a divergence, and it can be a great or very important data which can drag the Nifty towards downside. That's why I have told that 60% bias is on downside. Nifty के जो major contributors हैं उनको top contributors see on that. I have created a matrix to conclude it, and for that I am not only focusing on the price chart. Other than price chart, I am also looking on the OI data, put call ratio data, then IV chart, and then OI built up on different days, and on that I have concluded, given some concluded the trend of those stocks. In this, no one is showing bearishness right now. One is showing Reliance is showing bullishness, and it can increase further because there is some talk with the Amazon. And another one is ICICI Bank can also show some bullishness because its result was yesterday and it was very good. It may show some more bullishness on Monday. We don't know. It may move either side. And other three are moderate bullish, that we can if it is not falling, started to fall from Monday, we can get some long opportunity in these stocks. Thank you. That's all for the day. Let us meet for the live updation of all the data.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.